Welcome back to TechMania. Today, we're reviewing the Logitech ERGO K860 wireless ergonomic keyboard. Featuring a split design, wrist rest, natural typing angle, and stain-resistant fabric. It offers both Bluetooth and USB connectivity and is compatible with Windows and Mac systems. If you want to get this keyboard, check the link in the description below for the latest deal. The Logitech ERGO K860 is designed for comfort and productivity. Its split keyboard layout and curved design promote a natural typing posture, reducing strain on your wrists and forearms during long typing sessions. The integrated wrist rest provides additional support, making it ideal for office work, students, and anyone spending extended time at the computer. Connectivity is versatile, with both Bluetooth and USB options, allowing seamless pairing with multiple devices. You can easily switch between your Windows PC, Mac, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices without interrupting your workflow. The wireless design reduces desk clutter and enhances mobility, while the keyboard's long battery life ensures uninterrupted productivity for weeks on a single charge. The keys are designed for quiet, responsive typing, making it comfortable for home, office, or shared workspaces. The stain-resistant fabric on the wrist rest adds durability and keeps the keyboard looking clean and professional. Its ergonomic design and thoughtful layout improve typing accuracy, speed, and overall comfort. Whether you're writing reports, coding, gaming casually, or managing documents, the Logitech ERGO K860 enhances your typing experience while promoting better posture and reducing strain. Its modern design, sturdy build, and customizable device connectivity make it a versatile and practical addition to any setup. Overall, the Logitech ERGO K860 wireless ergonomic keyboard combines comfort, performance, and durability. It's a perfect choice for professionals, students, and anyone looking to improve their typing ergonomics. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get yours today and experience natural, comfortable typing like never before.